is the view from my room. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? Look at that water. I see him. Woo! Gotcha. Go ahead, LJ. I got you. Go, son. Say vacation 2010. So this is the last day of our trip. This is Friday. We'll be heading out in the morning. So right now we're cooking dinner in the kitchen. Let me turn it around. What's in the wok? Shrimp in the wok. Woo! Everybody say bye. Bye.